Dropshipping is a type of retail fulfillment method that allows online store owners to sell products without stocking inventory. Instead, the store owner partners with a supplier who fulfills orders on behalf of the store owner. When a customer places an order on the store owner's website, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Dropshipping has become a popular business model in recent years, especially for new entrepreneurs looking to start an online business. The low startup costs and ease of entry make it an attractive option for beginners. In this article, we will discuss the basics of dropshipping, including how it works, the advantages and disadvantages of the business model, and tips for beginners to get started. How does dropshipping work? The dropshipping process is straightforward. A store owner partners with a supplier to sell their products. The store owner lists the supplier's products on their website and sets the retail price. When a customer places an order on the store owner's website, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Here is a step-by-step breakdown of the dropshipping process. The store owner partners with a supplier. The store owner finds a supplier who is willing to dropship their products. The supplier should have a wide variety of products to choose from, and they should offer competitive prices and reliable shipping. The store owner lists the supplier's products on their website. The store owner adds the supplier's products to their website and sets the retail price. They can also add their branding and marketing materials to make the products their own. A customer places an order on the store owner's website. When a customer places an order on the store owner's website, they pay the retail price, and the store owner receives the order details. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. The store owner forwards the order details to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. The store owner earns a profit. The store owner keeps the difference between the retail price and the wholesale price paid to the supplier. This is their profit. Advantages of dropshipping. There are several advantages to using the dropshipping business model, including low startup costs. Dropshipping requires minimal upfront investment, making it an affordable option for beginners. No inventory management. The store owner does not need to stock inventory or handle the logistics of shipping and storage. This reduces the overhead costs associated with running an online store. Wide product selection. Because the store owner does not need to purchase inventory upfront, they can offer a wide variety of products without the risk of unsold inventory. Flexible location. With dropshipping, the store owner can operate from anywhere with an internet connection. This makes it an excellent option for digital nomads or entrepreneurs who prefer to work remotely. Scalability. Dropshipping allows the store owner to scale their business quickly without the need for additional inventory or warehouse space. Disadvantages of dropshipping. While dropshipping has many advantages, there are also some disadvantages to consider, including low profit margins. Because the store owner is purchasing products at wholesale prices, their profit margins may be lower than if they were purchasing products in bulk. Dependence on suppliers. The store owner is dependent on the supplier to fulfill orders correctly and on time. Any mistakes or delays by the supplier can negatively impact the store owner's reputation and customer satisfaction. Limited control over product quality. The store owner does not have control over the quality of the products they are selling. If the supplier sends a low-quality product, the store owner may be held responsible. Shipping times and costs. The store owner must rely on the supplier to handle shipping, which can result in longer shipping times and higher shipping costs. If you are considering starting a dropshipping business, here are some tips for beginners. Choose the right niche. The success of your dropshipping business will largely depend on the niche you choose. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a large enough market to support your business. Research suppliers. It is crucial to partner with reliable and trustworthy suppliers. Research potential suppliers thoroughly, and look for ones that have a good reputation, competitive prices, and a wide variety of products. Set competitive prices. Your prices should be competitive with other online retailers in your niche. Consider your profit margins and the prices of your competitors when setting your prices. Build a professional website. Your website is your storefront. and it is crucial to make a good first impression on potential customers. Invest in a professional website design, and ensure that it is easy to navigate and mobile-friendly. Focus on marketing. As a dropshipper, your marketing strategy is essential to your success. Invest in digital marketing tactics such as SEO, social media advertising, and email marketing to attract potential customers to your website. Provide excellent customer service. As a dropshipper, you are responsible for providing excellent customer service. Ensure that you respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve any issues quickly and professionally. Monitor your metrics. Keep a close eye on your metrics, including sales, traffic, and conversion rates. Use this data to make informed decisions about your business and optimize your website and marketing strategy accordingly. Dropshipping is an excellent option for beginners looking to start an online business with minimal upfront costs. While there are some disadvantages to the business model, with proper research, planning, and execution, dropshipping can be a profitable and scalable business. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of success as a dropshipper.